Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome to another video of Feelback Visual. So in this video I'm gonna create this amazing Valorant thumbnail. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So first of all, I will create a new composition and I will select this color right there, okay, and then I will add those brushes. Okay, I will give you the link in description below so you can download and use it, right? All right, then I will add these brushes one by one. After adding those brushes, I will just simply add this character png. You can use any kind of character png you want. I'm just using this one. All right, after adding this image like that, I will just simply black and white the color like that. Okay guys, after doing that, I will just simply add this color to the background, maybe a little bit more grayish. Okay, this color to the background. All right, after that I will add this background. Okay, I will also give you the link in the description below so you can download and use it. So after adding this background, I'm gonna change the blending mode. Maybe let's see which blending mode suits the best. Like linear dodge is kind of okay. So after that I will just simply adjust the masking. All right, it's look good. After that, what I'm gonna do is to simply add this text. I mean our title, it's called victory is mine, and the font I'm gonna using is academic M54. Okay, you can use this font. Then I'm gonna just like pull out this, and I will just increase the size of this text like that. Then I'll just duplicate this layer and type is mine. Okay, and on the bottom side the font I'm gonna use is benzene, this font. All right, the victory is mine. Then I will just increase the spacing of this font like 500 maybe, and I'll just add a new word to this text is now mine. Okay, is victory is now mine, something like that. All right guys, after adding this, I will just simply add nice red color to the background, I mean to the text. Okay, something like this color. Okay, so after adding this color, I will just adjust the size of this text. Something like that. And then what I'm gonna do is just simply duplicate the text layer, and I'll just rotate it down like that, and I'll just put it in this side. I will change the color to this. Okay, so after doing that, I will just increase the color and put it inside like that. and I will just increase the saturation of this layer. Okay, something like that. Okay guys, after that what I'm gonna do is just duplicate this layer, just simply rotate it a little bit. Okay, I'll just rotate it a little bit, then I will just decrease the fill to 0, and I will just add a nice stroke to the background. Yeah, something like that. -2. Alright, something like that. I'll just duplicate this thing and I will put a group like that, and I will just simply merge it down to the background like that. Alright guys, so after doing all of this thing, I will just simply duplicate the brushes. I'll simply add these brushes to the background like that. Okay, after that what I'm gonna do is just simply select this brush, and then I will just turn this into black and white like that. I will just turn this into black and white, and then I will just create a clipping path with this layer, and I'll just continue copying this. After that what I'm gonna do is merge the group, and I'll just decrease the opacity of this layer. Okay, something like that. Alright guys, after that I will add some drop shadow. So guys, I will just add some drop shadows and increase the size of noise like that. Okay, after that everything is done, and then I'll just simply duplicate the background, again duplicate this background, and I will just put this in right side as well. Okay, that's look nice. So that's our thumbnail. Then what we are going to do is just simply select all the layers, and I will put in a group. Then I will just merge the group and add some noise. It's not compulsory, but you can add some noise so it looks more nice. Okay, something like that. And yeah, that's how we can create this cool amazing thumbnail using Photoshop. Also you can change the color of this thumbnail using hue and saturation. Alright, something like this color. Okay, so yeah, that's how we can create this amazing thumbnail. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and give a hit to notification bell icon for getting more updates. So till then, goodbye, see you in another video. Bye bye guys.